Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with what you can control, your local network. Check the Ethernet or Wi-Fi indicator and confirm the modem and router are powered. Replace a cable if suspicious. Then obtain your device IP using ipconfig or ifconfig so you know the gateway and DNS entries. Once done, restart the network interface or toggle Wi-Fi. Try another device to isolate whether the issue is one machine or the whole LAN. This prevents wasting time on remote fixes when the fault is local. Next, separate DNS problems from routing failures. Ping your gateway, then ping a known public IP like 8. If that works, routing is fine and DNS is suspect. Use nslookup or dig on the target hostname to see if a record resolves and note any timeouts. Once you identify DNS as the culprit, temporarily switch your device or router DNS to 8 or 1 and try loading the site again, because a fast public resolver often restores name resolution immediately. Finally, determine whether the server itself is reachable. Run traceroute to find where packets stop and record failing hops. Try accessing the service by IP if available to bypass DNS. If traceroute shows external network issues, test from another network or a mobile hotspot to confirm a path problem. Once confirmed, flush DNS and reboot modem/router to clear stale state. Then gather ping/traceroute and DNS logs before contacting the ISP or host. If nothing works, the traceroute hop info.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.